In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Wix website from search engines. Whether you're working on a site that isn't quite ready for public view, or you simply want to keep it under wraps for now, knowing how to manage your site's visibility is crucial. Luckily, Wix makes it easy to control whether your website can be indexed by search engines, so let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix setup page. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see several options that help you manage your site effectively. All of your site settings and configurations are centralized here, making it straightforward to update various preferences. Now, the next important step is to locate the Settings tab. It's usually on the left-hand menu, often distinguished by a gear icon. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new menu. This menu is home to a variety of options relating to your site's setup and maintenance. Here you'll find the settings that control everything from basic information to more advanced configurations. After selecting settings, you should look for the SEO settings option. The SEO section of your site's dashboard is where you control how search engines interact with your site. Search engine optimization is key in determining how and when your site appears in search results. Clicking on the SEO settings will provide you with various options designed to enhance or restrict your site's discoverability. Once you're in the SEO settings, you'll see an option that reads something like, "Let search engines index your site." This is essentially a toggle switch that turns on or off the ability for search engines like Google and Bing to crawl your site. By default, this option is often set to allow search engines to index your site, which is great when you want your site to be found. But since you're looking to hide your site, what you'll want to do is toggle this option off. At this stage, simply click the switch to turn off search engine indexing. You'll know it's set correctly when the toggle moves to the off position, and any nearby indicator, such as a color change from green to gray, reinforces that your site is no longer set to be indexed by search engines. This change will prevent your site's pages from appearing in search results, effectively keeping your website private and hidden. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully hidden your Wix website from public search engines. Remember, if you ever want to make your site visible again, you can follow these same steps to toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this information useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.